This is Project Vintage Malibu, an ECD custom Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. Project Vintage Malibu is painted in full gloss Santorini black with black accents. Project Vintage Malibu sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondial retro wheels with BFG All Terrain Tires. This Defender 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage, slimline front bumper with daytime running lights, and NAS-style rear bumper. On the inside, Project Vintage Malibu features a Momo prototypo black spoke steering wheel with classic gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Brightech Alante leather stitched together in Garrett New Gray. Vintage Malibu is powered by our 6.2-liter GM V8 50-state emission-compliant engine with 6. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB connection.